What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to delete YouTube app on Android. So let's get right into it. Head over to your YouTube application on your menu. Then once you are there, keep tapped on your YouTube. And there you will find several options, but none of among them will be an uninstall option. As we generally know, if we want to remove or delete our app on our Android, we just need to uninstall it. As YouTube is a built-in form, so we don't have that option in here. So all you need to do is click on disable or just head over to the info option. And then here you can see there are several options right here. Just in the downwards, there are three options: open, disable, and force stop. As we want to delete it and delete our YouTube app, so we just need to click on disable, and our YouTube app will be deleted on Android. Because as I don't want to delete my YouTube account or YouTube application right now, that's why I'm not clicking on the disable option. So, but if you do, it will work for you. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.